Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE A72S device, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. First thing you need to do is to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't need Bluetooth right now, just disable it. Disable Wi-Fi if you don't need it right now. Disable mobile services if you don't need it right now. Disable location if you don't need maps right now. Disable newbie share, hotspots. That's great. That's it. And the second aspect you can do is to open the settings, then scroll down, find battery here, and here choose power saving mode. Great, in this mode your smartphone will live longer. But of course you can enable ultra power saving mode. In this mode you will be able to use only 6 applications, but in this mode your smartphone will live longer. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.